Hey there, I'm Joey McCabe and I'm third generation ownership at Faulkner Plastics, proudly located in Hialeah, Florida for 55 years now. We have the shop floor divided up into several different departments. First, we'll take a stop in our fabrication department. A lot of just edge finishing gets done here. A piece of acrylic that comes straight from a saw or a router has a very matte or rough finish. We've invested in diamond edge finishers in the background here that take that matte or rough finish and in one pass create an incredibly smooth A1 polish. As you can see here, we have two behemoth laser cutting machines. Both of these machines are 400 watt CO2 lasers with capabilities of cutting acrylic up to 1 inch thick, as well as stainless steel and a myriad of other materials. Here you find two flatbed printers that apply CMYK ink directly to any rigid substrate. Of course, for us, that's a lot of acrylic, but we print on metal and wood all the time for different customers. We also do have a roll-to-roll printer. This is great for vinyl decals or peel and stick stickers. It has a contour cut functionality and it's ready to get to work. What we have here are side-by-side 14-foot digital panel saws. All they can do is run a blade in a single direction straight through a material, but they are digital, meaning that the measurement is precise and accurate, allowing us to build a box to the 32nd of an inch with very square measurements. This perhaps is the original makerspace workhorse, right? We all are familiar with CNC routers, and as you can see, as our needs and business have grown, we've graduated from our first CNC router here at Como, which is a simple 5-foot by 8-foot configuration, all the way to an 80 by 120 inch bed over here on our latest edition. So we left perhaps our most ordinary department with the CNC routers, and we come to something that really differentiates us here at Faulkner. Thermoforming is a unique process given that we work with thermoplastics, meaning that they are able to be restructured molecularly by heat. That means you could take a piece of acrylic and you could put it in a gigantic pizza oven like we have back here. Drape molding, as that's called, lacks a lot of detail as you're just dependent on gravity to take the shape of the mold. So if you need a little more detail, a little more precise indentations or shaping to your plastic, you switch over to vacuum forming. The same concept, takes the material back into an oven, gets it heated up to a malleable temperature, brings it forward though, applies a mold, and then applies vacuum to suck around the mold and really give you detailed replicas of the shape you're looking to capture. Besides being accessible to everybody and feeling as a part of the community ourselves, I think something else that makes us stand out is our expertise and knowledge when it comes to fabrication. There's not many places you can go and buy the raw material for your personal project that you're going to take a stab at and fabricate yourself, where you can actually ask the person questions about laser cutting it, or welding this material, or what's the best way to get a bubble-free glue joint, or what's the best ink for your particular printing process, because a lot of distributors don't work with the material they sell. We do, and we're here to provide that advice to anyone. No job is too big or small, and we really are passionate about solving your problems with a fan plastic solution.